1997 Cross and Switch Expansion Pack 2002 Builder's Grade. Cross and Switch Expansion Pack. It's the following parts: 1 6-inch, 1 8-inch straight tracks, 2 3.5 curve, 2 6.5-inch curves, 1 male 3.5 switch, 1 female 6.5 switch, 1 special engine shed, switch track, 1 female adapter, 1 cross track I have. In 2002, the Builder's Grade used to be for this expansion. Expanded the conductor's figure eight set. Kind of bizarre. It has 2 circuits, no loops, 1 dead end. The circle cannot be used for this one on my wooden trains. This would be the road tracks are not clickety-clack. 2 circuits and 1 for this one. This layout is baffling. I'm using my tracks to clickety-clack. Let's take a look at somewhere else. (2004) Cross and Switch Expansion Pack. This is from the box. This is a Cross and Switch Expansion Pack. The following parts: 4 2-inch straight tracks, 4 3.5 curves, 1 female 3.5 switch, 1 male 6.5-inch switch, 1 3-inch straight track, 1 exclusive X track I want. And combined with the figure it said this well, it has 2 circuits, no loops, 1 dead end. It's pretty strange from the yearbook in 2005. I'm not a huge fan with arched stone bridge. The track underneath doesn't have a design. Otherwise, basically X tracks exclusive for this set. And to play a wooden remake. Well, other plans to play Emily's New Coaches, a wooden rally, the wooden remake from the yearbooks, X track, the blueprint. Ugh. So part 3 for my video.